Footprints fade where the lost one cries. I was a wolf with a hollow chest, chasing a dream I could never possess. Thirst like fire inside my veins, calling a name I don't know to blame. Then in the haze through golden light, you appeared like a dream that night. Your scent still lingers in the air, like a memory I can't repair. Every step pulls me back to you, but you dissolve when I break through. You're the mirage I can't hold on, shining bright, then you're just gone. I howl your name in endless tunes, but you fade beneath the moon. You're the water I can't drink, closer now than gone in a blink. I gave my soul just to feel your light, but you were never mine to find. Days when blind nights turn cold, every story left untold. I chased your shadow across the land, grasping nothing but empty sand. And one night beneath the stars, there you were, not very far. Frozen breath, I couldn't speak. Oh, my strength felt suddenly weak. 1,000 words I never said, running wild inside my head. If I lose you one more time, I'll disappear into the night. You're the mirage I can't hold on, shining bright, then you're just gone. I howl your name in endless tunes, but you fade beneath the moon. You're the water I can't drink, closer now than gone in a blink. I gave my soul just to feel your light, but you were never mine to find. Say something, don't disappear again. I've been lost in you, I've been dying to